Hi, my name is Kent Jones, and I'm the senior attorney and manager of Jones and Associates, attorneys at law in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I would like to speak with you briefly about why folks in East Tennessee retain my firm for legal representation. To be quite honest with you, there are typically times in everyone's life when the unexpected happens. You may get arrested for a DUI or charged by a spouse or ex-spouse with some type of criminal charge. You may come home one day and find out without prior notice that your husband or wife has decided to leave. Without the thought of it, you may be served with a temporary restraining order. If you are in business in a HR or management role, you may find an employee breaching an agreement or, even worse, suing you for discrimination. Conversely, you may be an employee that was clearly terminated due to an illegal cause such as race, age, or religion, among many others. Or you may have been caught up in a trucking or other automobile type accident. You may be on one side or the other of an accident at work. At any of these or other given times, you find that your logically constructed everyday life becomes clouded with emotion, confusion, and in many cases unexpected bills you never would have thought about in the budget or under any circumstances. In many cases, you may have attempted to personally deal with these issues and found yourself treading water for a few months or years at a time. You may even possibly find yourself on a collision course with a bankruptcy that you never expected in your wildest dreams, even if that becomes an unexpected expense. Over 50% of the time, clients ask me, why would someone do this to me? I don't know. At times I will say, it's not altogether different than when somebody, for no reason, harasses or murders somebody. I don't know why. It's that defining moment that you simply can't see the light at the end of the tunnel. Nobody wants to scream out their personal life to their friends or neighbors, but something else needs to happen. The true definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. At Jones and Associates, the chances are that we've guided a course through it. Not once, but many times. We possess the tools to bring back the light at the end of the tunnel, to bring back some normality to your life. When you go to choose an attorney, look at their ratings, look at their experience over time. In 2014, we were accepted by AM Best as some of the top attorneys in the insurance field in the nation. I've been rated by AVO, AVVO, as excellent. I've personally tried hundreds of cases to verdict. Yet I believe that I have the common sense to settle if necessary. I've argued a number of appeals to the Tennessee Supreme Court, the Tennessee Court of Appeals, and the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati, Ohio. We've never professed to be a specialist in solely one area, However, if you look at our track record, there has traditionally been a strong emphasis on labor and employment, corporate defense, individual divorce, and personal and catastrophic injury. And within the last few years, criminal defense. I truly believe in fighting zealously for a client, no matter what the circumstances. Even if you cannot convince yourself of it at first, these are things that are not only outside of your level of comfort, but these are things that are so outside your level of comfort that it would typically be years for you to even have a rudimentary understanding of them. Should you find yourself in one of these situations, please understand that it is imperative to seek legal counsel as soon as possible. There are certain roadblocks to resolving your issue that may exist now, tomorrow, or a short ways down the road. These include, but are not limited to, various statutes of limitation, administrative hurdles, notice hurdles, and many others. If you find yourself outside of your level of comfort and completely blind as to whether there will be light at the end of the tunnel, call me now at 423-424-6208. That's 424-6208. Or email me at joneslaw08@gmail.com. Let's work together to find a rational resolution to your legal issues. This is an advertisement. Thank you.